Here's a new 2019 Cadillac CTS sedan. With inspirational beauty, intelligence, and purpose, this CTS makes a statement in every element of its design. It comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, sport suspension, streaming audio, heated steering wheel, gas pressurized shocks, rear parking sensors, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Call us today at 754-220-1690.